All right. Hey, good morning, everybody. A hot day shaping up. Let's get to the action. The game is afoot here, as Shakespeare would say. 75 degrees now. We're clear out there. The beach looks great, but even the beach will be warming up. Burbank coming in at 78. Man, it is mild to the interior areas. Ontario, 81 degrees. Winds are calm, and the humidity only at 50% there. So we do have excessive heat warnings now encompassing downtown Los Angeles. This stuff just continues on and on and on. Doppler radar, we've had energy throughout the evening. We're still picking up some heavier showers just out towards the 10 by Beaumont right there. There has been some lightning strikes embedded in this. So for the day today, we'll continue to watch monsoonal moisture sweep through the area. And that's what we're doing. We're just situating with the high pressure area. It'll be replaced by another one from the Pacific Northwest. All this just generates heat, and we're not done with it for a while. Say goodbye to what would have been hopefully fall. So far, at least 100 downtown, 103 tomorrow. Beach is 87, 93 tomorrow, 112 to 114 for the valleys, and so it goes. I mean, we'll come down a little bit next week, but it's still going to be well above normal. It's done. Please take care of your animals. Check on seniors. Go to cbsla.com. We have cooling centers plus a great, very cool website.